The Lenovo Tab4 8 Plus is an ultra-slim and light-profile family tablet. The tablet is available in Aurora Black. Choose between two memory variants, 3GB RAM and 16GB internal memory or 4GB RAM and 64GB internal memory. Memory is expandable up to 128GB with microSD card. The tablet has dual SIM slots with Nano plus Nano configuration. Both SIM slots support 4G on dual standby. The 8-inch Full HD touchscreen is integrated with IPS technology and provides accurate color reproduction across a wide viewing angle. The 10-point multi-touch capacitive touchscreen is ideal for video viewing and light gaming. The Lenovo Tab4 8 Plus comes with an 8-megapixel autofocus rear camera and a 5-megapixel fixed-focus front camera. The tablet runs on Android Nougat OS. It is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 625 octa-core processor. This tablet is equipped with a 4850 mAh lithium-ion battery which provides up to 20 hours of talk time. The box includes tablet, adapter, USB Type-C cable, safety or warranty guide and quick start guide. This product comes with standard warranty. You can also pay online using your debit or credit card, net banking or other methods. For further information on the product, warranty, payment and delivery options and other offers, visit the product detail page.